guys, what I'm navigating and have been navigating in my life, and recently, especially with so much losing my mother, and whatever happened in the last 3-4 months and in the entire 2025 year up until now, it's like so much lack based thinking, poverty based consciousness, the patterns that I had to navigate, and the belief systems that are rooted in so much poverty and lack, and in my environment as well, so much lack. It's disgusting. It really makes you sick and gives you digestive problems, and also so much digestive problems. And it's this alchemization, the lack and the money problem, that you can't even visit a doctor for the regular health checkup. You can't eat properly. Like, there is always anxiety around food, like, okay, and this alchemization of this kind of poverty based consciousness, it's a work of, you can't do it yourself. Like, higher power does it through you. You don't have, like, God gives you the strength in the heart, and like Mother Earth, wait, I'll show you. You get your strength, you get your strength and everything from the nature. You can't do this kind of alchemization and building your body and mind and heart and nervous system. Like, you need strength from these trees and rivers to do this kind of alchemization, to build your body, mind and heart, to reunite yourself with the infinite flow of abundance, which is the reality. But like, our thoughts and just ancestral patterns of lack can keep us separated. And for me, my path has been the path of heart, building that connection with that heart and letting my heart open the doors of that support, of financial support, and just softening. I pray like God. My prayer has been that God's goddesses, Mother Earth, I don't know anything about money. I don't know anything about relationships. Like, I don't know it. You teach me. All of my life, I have known so much lack. I have known belief systems, habits and patterns that were rooted in lack, poverty, judgments. Now you teach me newer way of doing business, healthier and healthier ways of having relationships that are rooted in integrity, healthier ways of making money, receiving money, and just like, that, because it has been exhausting for me living in the way I have been. And I'm grateful. Like, I'm not saying, of course I slept well, I always had roof, and in so many ways I was blessed, but it would be better if I could go for shopping on my birthday and feel happy, but I'm stressed, will I have the next meal as well? Or like, to be free from all of these fears, to be able to see that I have that enough money in my bank account, that I don't have to worry about food and all, like my bills are taken care of, I'd be fine. But not having it, of course I have the trust in God and Mother Earth to provide, but it still can, like, really so much, I feel like I would do so much better in my art, in my creativity, in my spirituality, if I had that. And I don't know right now. Honestly, I'm so confused. I'm like, I don't know how this money is gonna show up for me. I don't know how I'm gonna pay my last 3 months of rent that is due. What's gonna happen moving forward, what my life looks like. I'm just moving forward with faith and so much trust that I have done my work. I have done my work, very honestly, integriously. When making videos, I showed up very authentically, and now I want to see how God and Mother Earth leads me, how my heart leads me moving forward. I hope it's magic, it's extraordinary magic, it's like beyond, like just calming. I wanna have that wealth, extraordinary wealth, which is the guidance of the God. Extraordinary wealth is the guidance of the God, but like just the money, like the money in terms, money and resources, and being surrounded in right colors, right food, right environment. Gratitude has been a great help, but there has to be much, bigger level of support for me that I know that I deserve, and that will help me a lot in becoming my more healthier, creative, sexier self. Like everyone should have big chunks of cash, like big chunk in their savings account that they never get to touch, because also there are active 2-3 streams of income that are taking care of their daily, monthly, yearly expenses. That is like a calm nervous system. But when you are just getting by with your meals and all, just barely getting by, that creates such a exhaustion, and when you live in that state for so long. Anyway, I am out on a walk, I'm very grateful for that. I'm very grateful for that. And it's beautiful that I get to witness nature. I love coming out on walk. I used to pray that God bless me with a life wherein I get to go on walks. I have it. I was walking and thinking of everything, and I was about to sob, and then I saw this leaf which is pink and red, and the entire jungle, like the entire jungle is like brown and yellow, and just this leaf over here is pink and red. What nature sometimes does is, it's just so beautiful. Walks and nature will help us, in the most confusing situations of life. Truly, to build that support system and connection with nature is so back in 2021, I set an intention randomly, before my birthday, that, I intend to celebrate my birthday in Rishikesh with the people that I love. And that intention didn't come true at that time. But then few days later, 15 days later, life moved in such a way that I moved to Rishikesh, okay? And ever since then, almost all of my birthdays have been in Rishikesh. Have not found human friends yet, but I have found friends in children, in animals, and nature. Oh my God. I am like a nature, like I'm their girl, fairies and elf, I'm their girl. I also remember saying a prayer in 2021 in January. I was sitting in my bedroom and I was just praying, Mother Earth, I want to be one with you. I didn't even knew what that words meant, but it was coming from my heart, and I was just desiring to be one with Mother Earth. And ever since then, I have just been, and the prayer remains the same. And I like to celebrate my birthday with Mother Earth, and it's just such a precious connection, I really cherish it. So Rose operates from a very high frequency of love, and I always pray, ask for permission and take Rose, and then I eat it like this with the intention of bringing more self-love, and like that I make self-loving choices. And ever since I got to know that my mom was having cancer, and I was I would not go out and see the sun for weeks and all, then I started to eat Rose to just get that strength back into my life to do self-care things. And yeah, this plant,